Hi everyone! If you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy GBP on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy GBP on Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type GBP just like this and search for it. Now here you can find the cryptocurrency, which is the GBP. Now tap onto one of these which you are interested in the most, just like this. And now here you can see the buy button at the bottom. Now here is the thing, I do not have the available balance right now, so I cannot buy it. So to buy it, simply tap onto the buy button and add your payment method and buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy GBP on Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.